Hi everybody, welcome to another video. My name is Sako. Today I will present you the 12 most popular infographic topic. But if this is your first time on this channel and you want to know more about how to design infographic, make sure you click the subscribe button. I will give you more answer and the detail about how to design infographic. Let's see how it looks like. Thank you for watching this video. If you like this presentation, please give the like. I will let you know for the next presentation. Thank you for watching this video again. You are the best. Bye.